And today I'm going to discuss on the public relation. Public image makes up 63% of the value of most companies today. When there are a mishap or when the company's reputation breaks down, it affects the company's entire corporate existence and its appreciates. It takes around 4 to 7 years to overcome a negative reputation. Hence, it has become important for companies to invest in a good public relations strategy to maintain a beneficial relationship with the public. Now, we will know that what is public relation. Public relations is a strategic communication process companies, individuals, and organizations use to build up mutually beneficial relationship with the public. A public relations specialist draft a specialized communication plan and uses media and other direct or indirect mediums to create and maintain positive brand image and a strong relationship with the target audience. The main objectives of public relations is to maintain a positive reputation of the brand and maintain a strategic relationship with the public, prospective customers, partners, investors, employees, and other stockholders, which lead to a positive image brand and makes it seem honest, accessible, important, and relevant. Public relations is different from advertising. Public relations agencies don't buy ads, they do not buy stories for reporters, and they do not focus on attractive paid promotions. They rather promote the brand by using editorial content appearing in magazines, newspapers, news channels, websites, blogs, and TV programs. Using on or free media for promotion has its own benefits as information on three mediums aren't bought. It has a three-party validation and hence is imbued the skepticism by the public. The functions of public relations manager and public relations agencies include anticipating, analyzing, and interpreting the public opinion attitudes of the public towards the brand and drafting strategies which use free or earned media to influence them. Drafted strategies to support brands every campaign and new move through editorial. Writing and distributing press releases, speechwriting, planning and executing special public outreach and media related events. Writing content for web, developing a crisis public relations strategy, handling the social media presence of the brand and responding to public reviews on social media websites. Counseling the employees of the organization with regard to policies, course of action, organization responsibility and their responsibility. Dealing with the government and legislative agencies on the behalf of organization. Dealing with the public groups and other organizations with regard to social and other policies of organization and legislation of the government. Handling the investor typically. According to the function of the Public Relations Department agency, public relation can be divided into seven types. These are media relations, establishing a good relation with the media organization and acting as their content source. Investor relations, handling investors, events, raising financial reports and regulatory filings and handling investors and analysis and media queries and complaints. Government relations, representing with the brand to government with regard to fulfill other policies like corporate social responsibility, fair competition, consumer protection, employees protection, etc. Community relations, handling the social aspects of the brand establishing a positive reputation in the social as like environment protection, education, etc. Internal relations, counseling the employees of the organization with regard to the policies, course of action, organization's responsibilities and their responsibilities, cooperating with them during special product launches and events. Customers relation, handling relations with the target market and new customers, conducting market research to know more about interests, attitudes, and priorities of the customers, and crafting strategies to influence the same using earned media. Marketing community, supporting marketing efforts leading to a product launch, special campaign, brand awareness, image, and positioning. For example, PR turns strategic strains for donating to an affected community during a brand activation stunt in a mall. Some of the examples of successful public relations campaigns are Google Fit Ebola campaign. The breakout of Ebola virus in 2014 was critical. It was spread among many countries and took over many lives. Google, to help the people in need and to build up a positive brand image, started a donation campaign where it pleaded to give $2 for every $1 donated to cause through its website. The public relations strategy attracted the media attention and resulted to a huge success as Google invested $7.5 million. Paramount Pictures again publicity stunt. Paramount Pictures to promote its horror franchises The Ring and to get more attention take a step towards and planned a publicity stunt where the protagonist hunted the people in a real life scenario. The film's most iconic scene of Samara crawling out of the TV set was recreated in a TV showreel where the protagonist came crawling out of the hidden compartment behind a TV screen and scared people. The stunt were viral and the video received over 7 million views on Facebook. Just Eat and have a seat customer. Just Eat is an online food ordering application which lets customers use a comment to their orders to inform the delivery person about the right address or to leave the order to the neighbor, etc. An unwell customer tried her luck to see if she could get the delivery person to stop en route and get her some medicine. She wrote, "Will you please stop in the square on the way and get me some Blessing cold and flu tablets and I will give you the money only ordering food so I can get the tablets and sick." The delivery person delivered both and this public resisted went viral the media. The importance of public relations. With over 63% of the value of most companies dependent of their public images, public relations have become very important topic today for human reason. We have build up the brand image. The brand image gets abused when the target customers get to know about it through a third party media. A good public relations strategy helps the public a good public relations strategy helps the brand build up its image in a way it's want to. It's opportunistic. Public relations strategies make the brand capitalize to the opportunities. Google was in the news for donating the Ebola. Facebook promoted LGBTQ rights. Coca-Cola did a PR stance against obesity. These opportunities even attract many influencers to share the brand story their followers. Brand promotes values. PR is used to set out positive messages which are in line with her brand values and its images. The build up the brand reputation, strengthened community relation. The PR strategies are used to convey that the brand is as much a part of the society as the target audience. This built up a strong relation of a brand with the public. PR relation can also be defined as a planned process to influence public opinion through sound characters, proper performance based on mutually satisfactory two-way communication. PR essentially defensive. It is a corporate amount that the company can wear which would protect the company during adversity. Marston's four-step REST model describes the PR processes. R stands for research, A stands for action, C stands for communication, E stands for evaluation. Functions of PR: promoting goodwill, promoting products, service, corporate image, corporate communications, lobbying, counteracting negative publicity. Advantages of PR: credibility, costs, avoidance of clutter, lead generation, ability to reach specific groups, image building. Disadvantage of PR: difficult to quantify PR benefits, lack of control, defect management control. Role of PR officer: first advocate. The public relations manager is a chief advocate for the company. He must focus all energy on building an organization that is deemed to a good corporate citizen. He is the mouthpiece for management and in a political circles known as the press secretary. Communicators. The public relations manager crafts communications policies and oversees the development of all the statements and news releases for the company. Sociology, psychology, and good journalism are requisite talents for the manager and staff. Communication must be clear, concise, and relevant to the audience. Problem solver. The public relations manager is the ultimate spin doctor. It is her job to put the best face on the news and information that could impress or managing the company's reputation. Often she will be called upon to polish modern information into platinum data that gives the company more credit than would ordinarily be due for routine accomplishment. The public relations manager directs all the outreach efforts. He is responsible for media placements and coordinating organizational functions and the efforts of executives. It is his responsibility to determine the executive appropriate for each situation ensures the person has approved information statements in hand. Uses of PR customer complaints and redressals. It has an opportunity to cement relations with the customer, very important in the service and hospitality industry. Combating rumors and falsehoods, confront and disclose facts in leading media, gives the positive sides of the story, capitalize on the rumors to your benefit. Rumor can be dismissed as ridiculous. When PR is used for the purpose of marketing its products and services, it is known as a marketing public relations. This is known as MPR. It can be a very important component for the entire communications mix of the company. Objects of MPI assist in the launch of products company, assist in repositioning a mature product, building interest in a product category, influencing specific target groups, countering negative publicity, building corporate image that rubs off onto its products. Public relations, marketing, and advertising aren't they all the same thing? The answer is not really. Marketing and advertising traditionally promote products and services. Public relations promotes the entire organization. For the PR to work, there are several prerequisites. It must be first its own house in order. PR, PR must have the respect for employees and communities. Management must justify its profits and prove that it is not profiteering. Work for the community as an able to corporate citizen. How do PR people get their job done? Using cloth of the agency by the virtue of business based cultivating relation with the media and leveraging that when required. Communication that is newsworthy and which media would be glad to carry. Thank you so much for listening.